Hi everybody, I'm Parna again with you all with a new question. Do you know about programmed cell death? Now I am going to discuss about what is programmed cell death. Programmed cell death is the process by which cells in plants and animals die through self-destruction rather than due to injury. Also referred to in animal cells as apoptosis. The process is typically a part of embryonic development of all animals and is thought to be responsible for the development of individual digits and the elimination of excess materials in various stages of animal development. It is also an element of the immune system in animals and the process by which excess or fluid cells in the body are eliminated to maintain homeostasis and health. Programmed cell death can also have a negative effect on the body of an animal or human being when triggered by viruses. Studied and documented throughout the latter half of the 20th century, programmed cell death is responsible for how virus animals and plants develop and grow. Plants and animals typically grow through the division and replication of cells in the organism. In order to popularly offset this process, however, programmed cell death occurs to keep the body of the plant or animal from growing at too tremendous a rate. The process is fairly complicated, but basically a cell is given a signal either from within or from outside the cell to begin breaking down. Those pieces are then subsequently marked to be eaten by phagocytes in the organism. This prevents any harmful materials or coding within the cell for affecting the rest of the cells of the organism. Programmed cell death is thought to be an especially important part of animal growth and development in early life and the embryonic stage. For example, evidence indicates that the early development of individual fingers and toes in a human fetus is due to the apoptosis of the cells that would exist between the digits but die off, leaving the remaining cell to form the individual fingers. Similarly, the reincorporation of a tadpole's tail into its body as it becomes a frog is due to cell death rather than the continued divisions and growth of those tail cells. Unfortunately, programmed cell death can be hindered by certain viruses and other adverse psychological conditions. The spread of cancer throughout an animal's body is typically due to apoptosis, not properly occurring in the organism body. In ideal conditions, cancerous cell should be ordered to die by proteins in the body, preventing those cancerous cells from dividing and spreading. The programmed cell death does not properly occur, however, in many cases of cancer, leading to the spread of potentially deadly cells throughout the body. The human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, similarly uses programmed cell death in the negative way by causing T helper cells that typically fight off viruses and other infections in the human body to bring self-destruction. This condition, referred to as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, effectively destroys the body's immune system, which often leads to complications or death from other illnesses. So friends, I think you all have understand about this topic. Hope you all have enjoyed as well. I will be again back with some interesting questions. Thank you.